So you're thinking of moving to Yuba City? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why you shouldn't move to Yuba City. If you stick around to the end, you'll know whether or not it's a deal breaker for you. And we're going to do it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about the greater Sacramento area, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market in the greater Sacramento area. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and folks like you reach out to my team and I all the time looking to make their move to the greater Sacramento area. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or better yet, schedule a Zoom call. And we'll be happy to help you make your smooth move to the greater Sacramento area. Well, today we're going to talk about reasons why you shouldn't move to Yuba City. Yuba City is about 30 miles north of Sacramento, and it's a very commutable little city. People travel to Sacramento to work all the time. But here's 6 reasons that you shouldn't move here, and you can tell me whether or not they are a deal breaker for you. So the weather is the first thing. If you're moving here from the Bay Area, you probably won't like Yuba City because it gets hot in the summertime. We have at least a couple of weeks where it's well over 100 degrees, meaning, 115 is like the hottest, but up to 110 is not unusual. In the wintertime, it dips down into the 30s. So that might be too much of a temperature discrepancy for you if you're moving from the Bay Area and you're used to more temperate temperatures. One thing I do like about Yuba City's weather is that we get the Delta breeze in the summertime. So, it cools things off in the evening time and it just keeps the air moving ever so gently. As far as bugs go, we don't have a lot of annoying bugs. We have mostly daddy longlegs and black widows. I do see black widows, of course, they like to hide. So I've only seen them in my house maybe 3 times since I've lived here. But mostly I see them like underneath the front post in the front of the house. So if you don't like black widows, then you're afraid of them, then maybe you should move to Yuba City. But I think those are kind of everywhere, aren't they? We do get mosquitoes though. So in the springtime, just when the weather's nice and we can get out and enjoy it, the mosquitoes come to enjoy us. And it's quite annoying. So you have to protect yourself from that. If you're sensitive to allergies, you definitely don't want to move to Yuba City. You should think twice because we grow a lot of fruit and nuts around here. We have a lot of fruit and nut orchards. And we grow walnuts and almonds and peaches and citrus, lemons and oranges, grapefruit, pompolos and mandarins, tangerines as well. So if you're very sensitive to allergies, then you won't want to move to Yuba City because in the springtime, it is really bad. If you're looking for a small town with little or no traffic, then Yuba City is not the place to move to. I think we have moderate traffic, but if you're looking for hardly any traffic at all, you may want to consider moving to Sutter, which is about 20 minutes west of town, or Colusa, which is about 30 minutes west of town. And they're smaller towns and don't have hardly any traffic at all. As far as the air quality goes, unfortunately, we have farmers that burn rice fields in the wintertime. And so just when the cold air comes and we don't have the heat anymore from the summer, we have these farmers that are burning rice fields and also the old walnut trees from their orchards, and they'll just put them in big piles in the middle of the orchard and just burn them. So this winter it wasn't so bad because we got a lot of rain, but the months where we've had, or years that we've had droughts, then it's not the best. So if you're sensitive to that thing, we also have wildfire smoke, which we've had plenty in California in the last several years. So in the summertime we do get wildfire smoke. But as far as smog goes, it's not that bad. We're 59 feet above sea level here. We're not like in a mountainous town right above the city, so that helps. So if you don't like free roaming chickens, in parking lots and shopping centers, then you probably won't want to move to Yuba City. Yes, we have chickens. Yeah, free roaming chickens. They just run around. They scratch for food. They're smaller than domestic chickens. And how they got here, we're not really sure. It's a mystery. But a couple of rumors have gone around that there used to be a farm where Winco Shopping Center is, and they just didn't pick up all the chickens when they developed the property there. And the other rumor is that there was a chicken truck driving through town and it wrecked and some chickens fell out and they just figured they'd die off, and they never did. But whatever the case is, we have these little babies running around following their moms in the springtime and summertime, and they roost in the trees, in the ornamental trees in the parking lots of the shopping centers at night. They fly up in there and they roost in there at night, and they crow first thing in the morning. So pretty interesting. I think it gives a town character about our chickens. So there you have it. There's 6 reasons why you shouldn't move to Yuba City. If you can handle these things, then give me a call and we'll be happy to show you around town. So again, whether it's your first time to the channel, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to know about the current market in the Sacramento area. And whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and better yet, schedule a Zoom call. And we'll be happy to help you make your smooth move to the greater Sacramento area or Yuba City, like we talked about today.